In today's digital era, artificial intelligence tools are revolutionizing how people make money online. With just a phone or laptop, earning Rs 500 daily has never been more accessible. Imagine turning your existing skills into profit with efficient AI solutions. It's not just a dream.
It can be your reality with the right tools at your fingertips.
The first stellar tool in your arsenal is ChatGPT. Picture this: you become a go to content creator by utilizing ChatGPT to write compelling blogs, eye catching product descriptions, or engaging social media captions for small businesses. Freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork abound with opportunities where clients are willing to pay Rs 400 or 600 for a single article. Simply instruct ChatGPT to whip up your content, sprinkle in your unique flair, and voila! With just two short assignments a day, you can effortlessly reach that Rs 500 target. Next on the list is Canva AI, the designer's best friend. Visualize creating stunning graphics in mere moments. With Canva AI, all you need to do is select a template, input your concept, and the AI takes care of the rest. This tool is perfect for producing posters, captivating YouTube thumbnails, or eye catching Instagram posts. Each design can fetch you between Rs 200 and Rs 500. By creating just two designs daily, you're yet again hitting that Rs 500 mark effortlessly. It's an efficient way to let your creative juices flow while your earnings accumulate. Don't overlook OpusClip, a magical tool for aspiring video editors. Imagine uploading a lengthy YouTube video and, like magic, it transforms into short, shareable, viral clips perfect for social media. Content creators crave this as it saves countless hours in editing. For this service, they are willing to pay anywhere from Rs 500 to Rs 1000. Just upload your video, let it generate those clips, deliver the final products, and watch the payments roll in. In conclusion, combining the power of ChatGPT for writing, Canva AI for design, and OpusClip for video editing allows you to offer comprehensive content packages to clients. This synergy not only streamlines your workflow but also ensures you easily surpass that Rs 500 daily threshold. Embrace these innovative tools and watch as your online earning potential soars to new heights.